Hey everyone, Lucas Purden here from Paul Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at stock number 29072T. It's a 2019 Rocky Ridge Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. It's ocean blue metallic in color. Has the upgraded front bumper with 20-inch LED light bar, 10,000 pound synthetic winch you can see down in here. Red tow hooks, .3.5-inch lift, 20-inch wheels on some 35-inch Mickey Thompsons, black steel fab step bars, 50-inch LED light bar up above. Take a look inside. Got heated leather seats, steering wheel. Steering wheel also has controls for your voice recognition for hands-free phone calls, cruise control, your four-wheel drive. Center console's got your cup holder, shallow storage up top, or you can open it up for some deeper storage, and also some USB ports. 8.4-inch Uconnect touchscreen radio, Sirius XM satellite radio. Get your media hub here with your USB and your USB-C and auxiliary ports. Auxiliary switches that come with the tow group. Another 12 volt outlet here. 3-piece color matched hard top. Your back door has some netting for storage here. Rubber floor mats all around front and back. You got your media hub here for your rear passengers, USB and USB-C ports. Also, you get a 15 volt outlet back here. Center armrest folds down, cup holders and storage here. Sound bar up top. Spare tire on the rear, full size. Rear backup camera. Upgraded steel bumper with blue accent plates, the red tow hooks, rear backup lights, your hitch here, and also your wiring harness, 4 and 7 pin. Open up the rear. Rubber mats in the back, extra rubber mats that come with the cold weather group. Storage for your top. Does have the Alpine sub. You can see that here. Black powder coated exhaust tip. This vehicle has been recalibrated for the oversized wheels. Again, we're looking at stock number 29072T. It's a 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara Rocky Ridge Edition. I'm Lucas Purden. Come visit me at Paul Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio, or give me a call at 937-778-0830, or visit us online at sherrychrysler.com.